Hey Algebra 1, Mr. Schachter here to help you finding a vertex of a quadratic in standard form. So we just learned a nifty new formula. That formula is x equals negative b over 2a. And this formula is going to calculate the axis of symmetry, that line dividing the parabola right in half. So if you remember, every quadratic equation in standard form, of course, has an a value, a b value, and a c value. And the a value in this problem would be 1, b would be 4, and c would be negative 1. So using the formula for axis of symmetry, it would equal negative, and then b is 4 divided by 2 times 1, which is equal to negative 4 over 2, which is equal to negative 2. So the axis of symmetry of this quadratic is negative 2. So the question is, once you have the axis of symmetry, how do you find the vertex? Well, if you take the value we just got, negative 2, and you plug it back into the original function, negative 2, it's going to give you the y value of the vertex. So let's do the math here. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2 is going to equal negative 8. And then we minus 1. So y is going to equal, 4 minus 8 is negative 4, minus 1 is negative 5. So you have to put those two pieces of information together. So we know that the x value is negative 2, and the y value is negative 5. So therefore the vertex is the coordinate point negative 2, negative 5. All right?